Welcome for my tourism Pathshala. It will transform your dream into reality. Good evening, all of my dear students. This is the question paper analysis series. This question paper is October 2020. Exam has taken December 21 and 22. And this question paper is based on assertion and reason. Question number 85. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other one is labeled as assertion R. Assertion A. Assertion. Modern town planning emerged when the population became increasingly urbanized and was largely a response to the increasing evil of urban living in terms of social and environmental impact. Reason: without planning, there is a risk and activity will be unregulated, formless, and haphazard, likely to range of negative economic, social, and environmental impact. Both statements are true, but these statements are not interconnected. First statement is the based on modern town planning, is the based on urban planning and its consequences, and second statement is the based on without planning its negative impact on our society and environment. So this is the question number 85. Next question, the question number 86. This question is based on Poisson distribution. Poisson probability distribution. The statement 1, Poisson distribution is always symmetric. The emphasis is always symmetric. And statement 2, for Poisson distribution, the mean and variance are equal. So first of all, we have to understand what is Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution, it is the discrete probability distribution, number 1. This is the discrete probability. Number 2, it expresses the probability of given number of event occurring in a fixed interval of time. Third, it measures how many times an event is likely to occur when X period of time. Example, two categories, success or failure, or number of car accident in a day. Suppose we are counting the number of occurrence of an event in a given unit of time, distance, area, or volume. These are the concept of Poisson distribution. Now we have to understand the equation of Poisson distribution. Equation of Poisson distribution is P of x tends to x equal to lambda to the power x into e to the power minus lambda by x factor. Here e equal, here constant, the value of e 2.71828, and x factor means 5 factor as example, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 120. So these are the expression through Poisson probability distribution formula. And second, so statement 1 is a statement 1 based on always systematic. The Poisson distribution is always symmetric. This always symmetric is a statement 1 wrong. And statement 2, the mean and variance are equal. This statement is true. Because for Poisson distribution, mean and variance are equal, it means E of x equal to V of x, where Vx is a variance. So, answer 4 is the correct. Next question, question number 87. Statement 1. Since market value is not function of cost. Since market value is not a function of cost, minimizing cost will not result in the highest price for a company's share. Statement 2, since market value is not a function of market share. Both 1 and 2, statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Market value is not a function of cost, and it is also true, and market value is not a function of market share, or maximizing market share will not result the highest price for the company share. So now you have to understand what is market value. It is a price at which buyer and seller agree to trade an asset in a competitive market. There are some factors involved with the market value. Number one, capital cost. Number two, consumer spending. Number two, changes in supply and demand. In competitive market, market value can be used interchangeably with fair market value, open market value, or fair value. Now, we'll move on to the next question, question number 88. This question is based on ecotourism. Statement 1, some people hold the opinion that ecotourism is a subset of tourism which takes care of the environment while the other types of tourism do not. This statement is correct. Second statement, ecotourism itself cannot survive indefinitely in a situation where non-ecotourism activities keeps on depleting resources as a result of interchanges of material, energy between and among ecotourism, non-ecotourism activities and the ecological system. So statement 2 also the correct. So both statements, statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Now the next question, question number 81, the statement 1, extra mileage surcharge is applicable to international air transportation where the maximum permitted mileage MPM is more than ticket point mileage TPM. This statement is wrong. The opposite is true. When TPM exceeds the MPM, then extra mileage surcharge will be applicable. Statement 2, if the result of TPM divided by MPM is over 1.15000 but not higher than 1.20, surcharge the fare by 15%. No, this statement also the wrong or incorrect. The surcharge will be 20%. This statement is both statements, statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Now we move on. The next question, question number 19. Given below the two statements, one level is assertion, another is a reason. Assertion. This question is based on Oberoi Group. Oberoi Group has many awards to its credit, with the recent ones being the best hotel in Asia 2020. Firdaus Hotel, USA, to the Oberoi Amar Villas, Agra, the best ever hotel or resort in India 2021 by Gallivant's Guide, to the Oberoi's Uday Villas, Udaipur. This is the assertion. This assertion is correct. And second reason, the Oberoi Group is committed to meeting and exceeding the expectation of their guests through unremitting dedication to every aspect of service. So both statements are interconnected. So A and R, both are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. And they continue the Oberoi tradition of pioneering the hospitality industry, striving for unsurpassed excellence and creating extraordinary value for the shareholder. So both A and R is correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Move on the next question, question number 83. This question also based on assertion and reason. The topic is based on travel agency, the Thomas Cook, travel major Thomas Cook India, backed by Fairfax Financial Holdings, has been on a spree to acquire travel company that have taken over Coney's travel business India. Coney's travel business in India and Hong Kong for its 535 crore. These are the statement, assertion statement, and reason: acquisition of Coney's tour operating and retailing businesses in India and Hong Kong is a strategic business to tap domestic tourism in India. Both statements are correct. There is no doubt these statements are correct, but there is no interconnected. The first one is based on the financial holding or financial backed and business related. Second one is the based on the issues of strategic business to tap the domestic tourism in India. The financial perspective, a second statement is a reason is based on the marketing perspective or operational perspective. So both statements are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of it. So this is our final topic or discussion on the October 2022. So I think everybody get the benefit this question paper analysis, and you can take the decision how we take our preparation, what would be our preparation strategy. So keep touch with this channel, and subscribe this channel to get these types of analytical video for UGC NET and JRF as well. Thank you.